Wow, I'm really excited to show you something cool enough. And what it is, just have a look out over here. That is my new phone, OnePlus 7T. This is my new phone. Wow. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm really happy. I have something very good to share with you. Something which I have purchased just right now. It has arrived and let me show it to you what I have purchased. Over here I have, did you guess it right? This is the OnePlus 7T. So I have bought OnePlus 7T and this is the box. I'll show you the unboxing and the contents of this particular box. As you know, this is the latest phone from OnePlus. So I'll show you now OnePlus 7T. I got the new phone. Start unboxing. Tear the plastic and let's quickly get in the contents. The box is really premium. You can feel that the texture of the box is really good, and they could put some good artistic skills around to make the box, and appreciate that. But this is not about the box. This is about the contents within the box. So let's see the contents within the box. Okay, here you go. Some leaflet, some manuals, I believe. I'll put it aside. And OnePlus 7T, never settle. Quite irony, never settle. Of course, you should always be enthusiastic and not sit at one place. And that's the positive meaning of never settle. This is the phone. Let me open the phone. Remove the curtains, remove the cover, and here you go. The OnePlus 7T, and it's quite shimmering blue. This is the Glacier Blue, as they call. I've taken the 8GB 256GB version, 8GB RAM and 256GB of the storage. You see over here the finishing is quite premium. The color combination is really good. It's so premium, so rich in texture, feels like silk, smooth out over here. The three cameras, the flash, the three cameras out over here. And the volume button. It has a teardrop notch over here. The teardrop notch. On the side, this kind of the slider button. They always retained this button, which I really like. The slider button, easy to just put it up or down, and you can set up the different kinds of modes, like a silent mode or a vibrate mode, quick and easy. So that's really good. The power button out over here, and I was using the earlier OnePlus and traded in, gave that OnePlus and got it this from Amazon, 1-day delivery, and feels pretty good. The slightly long. And the best part is over here, the color. I really like the color. This blue is really good enough. Really. Okay, so the rest of the contents, we'll just quickly have a look at the rest of the contents out in the box. Okay, some kind of, this is the tray. This is the 30-watt new warp charger, which is the fastest in the market right now, as they claim. Cable, and this is the SIM ejector kind of pin or the tool, and inbuilt you get this particular TPU transparent cover. Maybe it will last for a couple of days for me, and then I'll try to hit a new cover. It's okay. It does give you a texture of the phone. What's the point of having a black cover and then you don't see the back? That's no point. So it's good that OnePlus gave this kind of a cover at least to protect from the scratches and everything. And once I find a good cover in the market, I'll just buy a new cover. So friends, this is the new OnePlus 7T I have. The Glacier Blue 6G. This is the 8GB 256 GB version.